Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a process video for Spiegel Mom Scraps, where if you use my code Miranda15 in the comments or in the discount section, you will get 15% off your order. Now, the collection that I will be using is going to be part of the February pre-order or pre-monthly kit. I have two collections that I will be using. One of them is called Peach Fuzz, and then the other one is Love You Latte. So those two work really well with the Cartabella's at home collection that I got from the scrap room. Now, I am actually going to, because I seen this collection and I love how this collection looks, this is going to work really well for the photos that I do have of our house. The boho style of this collection is perfect, and it matches the Spiegel Mom Scrap mixes, the Peach Fuzz and Love You Latte. They're perfect for this collection because it's such a boho feeling. I love it. So the sketch that I am going to be following that is in the corner, it came from the crop that I was at. So I'm just letting you know that that was the only way we were able to get this, is if we were at the crop. So I am using that, and this is going to be the last one that you see that I did at the crop. I did not feel well. One of the doors was leaking in some cold air, and it did not go over well for me. And this is why you hear me sound like the way I do. So I am finishing up these ones, and then hopefully I should be back to normal. If not, it'll be the remnants of that event. And unfortunately, I just didn't feel well to do anymore. So I did not be able to do much scrapbooking. I was trying to keep myself from being sick worse than what I was. So I am following this sketch. So the kit that we got was from Creative Memories, like the sketch booklet kit thing. And in Creative Memories, the one thing that Creative Memories does is it gives you the beginner, intermediate, and then advanced. Well, I'm an advanced scrapbooker, so I added a bunch of stuff to it and changed it all up. They wanted the photos down below, and I'm like, nope, I'm going to put them off to the side. I changed the sketch out, and I added 4 photos like you can see here. I added quite a bit, and you will see how I bring the sequence into this. So I am cutting down the pages, and I am putting there. You can kind of see the sketchbook off to the side there. And with the scrap room, I was able to use quite a bit. I didn't have much of this left. So with the still shots, you'll only see one piece of paper left. So I did my due diligence for sure. And I can't wait to get this in so I can keep going. So the story behind our house. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I am so glad to have you. We do all of the fun stuff here, and I would love to have you as part of the YouTube family. Now, this was the first house that we signed on and we were supposed to get. I customed this house from point to finish. Okay, so this is what you will see me do with my sequence. There is this ripple effect that are on the side. So you'll see me do a bunch of little dots and glue along this black. And then I'm taking the 2 colors from Sequence Mix and moving them back and forth and rotating. So I'll quickly talk about this house. This was supposed to be the original house that we were supposed to get. If you are one of my semi-original subscribers, or if you're on the Spiegel Mom Scraps team, hit me up on my personal channel. You'll know what I'm talking about. Our windows didn't come in on time. So I customized this house. I did it from start to finish. This was supposed to be our forever house. I added a bunch of Miranda's feel and touch to this house. By the end of January, we were told we were no longer able to have this house. We had to find a new one because of my husband's end date to the military. So long story short, this was so-called our house. So we thought. So my title to this page, I'm going to have the house. This one's going to be the complimentary page to my second one, which is why I want this collection in, because I kind of wanted them like a 2-page spread, but they're going to be different because I kept all the house like photos and stuff because I wanted to capture this in time. So we thought in this house, so it's like to build this life that we wanted within this house. And then that's why we said, so we thought. And then the next page, once I get this collection in, because I absolutely love it. I'm not a Cartabella fan, but I do actually love this collection. So once I get this in, then I'm going to keep going, and then you'll see our actual house that we did buy. So I am just going through and just kind of picking some of the stuff that I wanted on this. As you can see, I did the circles and this ripple effect with most of the sequence. And then you'll see me drop some of them down and add along our clusters as well, just to give it something a little bit more. The one thing I don't like about Cartabella, which drives me nuts, is they don't put enough glue. So everything that I put on this layout that I thought I glued enough on, nope, I had to come home and glue some more because the stuff kept falling off. That is the only thing that I will tell you. If you get Cartabella, or at least for me, and the stuff that I have gotten from them, you gotta glue and glue some more, or otherwise it just moves. So I'm just saying. But that is what my title is going to be. Make sure that you go check out Spiegel Mom Scraps. Remember to use Miranda 15 on your order to get 15% off. Also, make sure that if you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you. If you are coming from Spiegel Mom Scraps, welcome. I would love to have you as part of my personal channel. And then if you are coming from my channel over to Spiegel Mom Scraps, we would love to have you here as well. I absolutely love working for Jody. Jody's sequence mixes are thebomb.com. I just love everything about it. So make sure that you go check out her pre-orders. I know that this is a little bit early, but just go check out. I will link down what we call the monthly kits, and you will be able to have that. Then I did come in with some splatters that I have for my stash. I just wanted to add a little bit more, my pizzazz. Make sure you do all the YouTube stuff. I hope that you guys are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.
I don't know why I go when I go. I still don't know why this war in my blood. Why this war with all that I love. Oh, my wandering ways and these faithless days. I find it hard to explain my wandering ways. Always turning away from your loving embrace. I find it hard to explain my wandering ways, my wandering